Maserto was founded as a result of the effort of a worker who could not afford to buy one of the suits of the factory he worked and produced. The foundation of the brand, to work abroad after years of arduous labor and leading to language learning, is an entrepreneurial success story founded the firm with experience gained both in Turkey and abroad. Our tool manufacturing adventure, which has been going on for years, is converting to be global brand and to produce products which have high level added value. Maserto produces 1,500 suits per day and export to 40 countries in 4 continents. We reach our goal with our teams and distributors by our "We Dress Up the World" motto year by year. Maserto, brand of businessman.